person inside you. Deep, deep down inside, there is someone that is against you or that isn't you. Everyone will have two persons inside them. The first one that you show that you want to be, the other one is what actually you are, and sometimes is what you hide from others and what you show just to yourself. Be careful with that inner you because he wants different things and it might also be what's opposite to what you want. Did you ever feel like you're not getting what you want? You're not with the person who you like. You're not in the career that you choose to be. The environment around you isn't fine. And all the happenings are not what you prayed for. The reason for all these things is no one but you, the inner you. Inside yourself, you might be praying for a different thing. Somehow, inner your prayers are pure and powerful because it's like pure form of meditation in connection with universe. No interaction with worldly things like you do. So it's important that you make a good understanding with the inner you and make your two persons unite with each other and make those two entities into one so that your goals, dreams, and your prayers align with each other. For example, be it your career for which you are giving your hardcore work, your inner person might be thinking or doubting, what if I don't get this? Maybe I should plan some other way. I should better do that, and it's completely another line of planning going on, and he will be praying for that. So, convince your inner you. First, speak to yourself that you're sure about this and this is what you want, and you'll make this work. And if doesn't go that way, I will have a better plan and sort out. In anything you plan, just halt yourself, align yourself, and move forward. Because you can travel in two boats at the same time, continuously one by one, not simultaneously. Just see inside yourself, identify, and align into a middle point. For this, you have to walk some distance back or forward. And once you reach this midpoint, you can start your new journey where you'll have to reach your single Ikigai.